See how it goes. Hold on. Just gotta try switching devices here. And let's get set up again. All right, so it's got to show the song visualizer. I changed its version so it's not displayed. Now, last version I streamed was version 0.8 Z alpha. Current version is 0.9 C alpha. It's a difference. Quite a few letters. And one number. Okay, so with that said, just give me a second. Want to see something funny? Boo. Now there's two. Okay. Not that one is a little too close though. So, anyways, I don't know really what my goal this session. I'm not gonna play right now. Getting used to the stream settings here. Maybe I'll do some more chat with data. Let's see what we got. Go to the chat screen right here. Oops. Okay, so the chat is a little different. Let's see. So let me reset the program. Oh, I don't think you're able to see the song creator window. 1 second. This one right here. Last time I showed the song creator window was version 0.8. I think it's L, alpha. Now it's version 0.9C. Okay, so we're gonna move that up here. Song visualizer, we're gonna hit the chat button. And then chat's displayed here. Quite a large window. Okay, let's try that. Let's see, what can I ask? Once I get my keyboard working. Okay, finally. Let's see what I could ask it. But, okay, this one I won't get. Really? It did get it. Based on your musical history, an average day would play about 7 songs. They should round it. 8 songs. Okay, I don't think it'll get this right. Let's try next question. Let's try to ask it the same thing. Oops. Hold on. Disconnected my keyboard again. Trying to get used to the Mac. It's not Control C, it's whatever else. Okay. Okay. How many would I play on an average given day? What songs would I play on an average day? I don't think it'll get this right. Okay, let's try just this. It's not designed that way. Dang it. Yeah, it's too fragile. What else could I add? Actually, let me look at, now that I could view the code without worrying about you seeing it, can look at the database real quick and look at tables it's trying to query. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. No, plays table. Plays table, play date. Okay, nope. Dang, doesn't like any of these. Well, the query is wrong in each case. This is Grok Llama 3. There is a place that has like AI queries and stuff that is better designed for schemas that I haven't tried yet. That is tempting. Through API. Okay, so anyways, let's see what other queries I could do that I have in my current code. Let's see. What's my average accuracy for March? Wow, it's breaking everything. Hold on. Play date like March? Uh, the timestamp isn't formatted that way. Let's see. To do. Timestamp with columns of month, day, year. Month, day, year, hour. Something like that. Because otherwise I can't quite query that right now. The way I'm trying. Let's see. What's my average accuracy for the year 2023 and 2024? Wait, what? Separately, none for 2023? Wait, what? Between the 1st of 23 and the 31st of 24? Strange. Well, what else could we do? Uh, I have how many playthroughs for March do I have? 0. 105. Why does it say 137 through March now? On the previous one, it says 0. How many playthroughs for March do I have placed on the result? You have 0 for March. How many playthroughs do I have for each month of 2024? You have 120. I have 105 in January, 93 in February, and 137 in March, 65 in April, and 1 in May. What is my total number of notes played for each month of 2024? What? Okay, in January I played 80,000 notes. February I played 77,000 notes. March I played 120,000 notes. April I played 69,000 notes. In May I played 1,000. That is crazy. I never knew that. That is fascinating. Okay, wow. I didn't realize there's that many. Um, what is the total number of notes played for each month of 2024, specifically for drop C tuning? 24,000 notes in January for drop C. February, that is fascinating. Oh, sorry, you don't see the full thing. I rearranged it. Let me just focus on that, not so much the top half. Hold on. More focus on this. There. Something like that. Okay, what else could I query? Let's see. What do I really want to know about my playthroughs? How late on note timing am I between the note hit time and the note start time on average? Or kill switch engage? This is a tough question. I don't know if it'll get it. Okay. Let's try again, but maybe too advanced. The right key to copy with. Based on the query result, your average 49 milliseconds late on note timing between the note hit time and the note start time for songs by Killswitch Engage. 49 milliseconds. It's hard to grasp even how long that is. Well, it's not a second, so I'll take that. I'm not that slow. 49 milliseconds. Okay. How often am I on time for note time for songs by Killswitch Engage compared to missing and being late? There's no sense of being on time, late, missing note. 0 for each status. Damn it. Why is that? It's it's doing me. It's looking for case sensitive. Yeah, it's looking for case sensitive. Case insensitive. It has to be case insensitive, 100%. Oh wait, hold on. I did the wrong query. I keep doing the wrong button for control copy. Case insensitive. You're never on time for a note. Wow, that's okay. Let that sink in. I am never on time for note time for songs by Killswitch Engage. I'm early for 38,788 times, and I'm late 48,350 times. And it's saying out of those, I don't know how many is that, 80 to 90,000 times, there is not a single time of on time. Hold on. It's because it's searching for, tell me it's searching for the, yep, that's why. Wait, no? Sorry, I'm having internal dialogue of, is it doing space or underscore? Zero. Okay. For any tuning, how many times am I on time for note time? I've been on time for 36,000 notes. Um, can you tell me how many times I've been on time for each tuning? Okay. Which songs for drop C tuning have I been on time for? And what? Okay, this is strange. I've been on time for drop C 150,000 times. I would I would assume. Oh no, that's not assumption. This is highly suspect. Drop C is 90% of the songs I played. I mean, sorry, Killswitch Engage is 90% of the songs I played. So how could it tell me I played it 150,000 times on time in one, and then say zero on time for Killswitch another time? And now it's saying I'm not finding any, like, where is the discrepancy? Is it a matter of just querying it again if it failed the first time, the same exact? No? Then if I go back here, uh, I've never been on time. It's saying on dash time. Like, why is there? I should know the schema, dang it. It's not the best at query database, it seems. I need Grok Hugging Face to have a different model through API or something here. Anyways, what else could I query with the current version? I'm trying to get this certain information out of it. How many times have I been on time for kill switch engage? 0 times. Um, what songs have I been on time for? Nope. This AI, starting to want to get this AI query better. Prompt. Wow. Okay. Well, maybe that's good enough for now. Oh, I didn't even see. Hold on. Someone in chat. Looks like a bot. Add the block list. Let's do that. So I'm using Grok Llama 3, and I'm trying to think of queries to do in the current version. And it seems easy to break. I have several tables that I'm trying to query at the moment. Okay, this guy on chat. Let's see how fun it is to kick. Man, that was fun. Okay, so yeah, I'm using Grok Llama 3 70B custom data, and I'm trying to think of different queries I could use. So, how many times have I been on time? 0 on time. Didn't find any matches. Look at your notes, connect them to place. I don't think it's okay for note timing. How many times have I been on? Why can't I get that right? And notes timing equals on time. Oh yeah, notes timing on underscore time. So I'm just looking at the schema I'm sending the chat. To note timing. Okay, so that might be why it's not. I haven't. It's not getting the correct query. Um, it may not know the values that are being used. Like yeah, it knows it to an extent, but it doesn't. Like, it just knows the schema just knows the what is it varchar whatever SQL. It doesn't know what the values could be like on time. I don't think that's. But I do see the query querying the correct value, so I'm a bit confused why it's getting 0 results. See, what I could do is I could query the database myself through my own SQL editor on the database file, but I'm trying to use the AI. I'm just trying to get an understanding of how it currently works and trying to phrase it to work. So Llama 3 70B default model, just trying that. What other things could I query about? Um, let's see, what are the different values that I have for timing in my notes? How many times have I done each different timing for a kill switch engage? I don't have any no timing values for kill switch engage. Okay, look at the notes table. Get all the different timing values based on different plays, based on songs from kill switch engage. See, that's how you have to intertwine them. Let's see. And none. Okay. Hold on. You kind of have to like explain how that they relate to one another, rather than just giving the schema. Um, how many times have I been? How many times does each timing value you have for kill switch engage? Something like that. Okay, finally. Okay. You have to look at it, like word it. Look at the notes table, get all different timing values based on different plays. So the notes table, plays table, based on songs from Killswitch Engage. How many times does each timing value have for Killswitch Engage? Okay, so the note timing values for Killswitch Engage are none, 43,000 because I didn't have no timing up until a certain part, like I don't know until when. But early I have 38,000, late I have 48,000, and on time I have 20 or 19,000. That is satisfactory results, but it just takes so much explanation for me to get that out of it. And it doesn't, it would be nice if I could add more layers in it. But so currently it does two API calls, one to get the query, another to to organize the answer. Or I mean, one to get the query. Okay, sorry, it's hard to explain. There is two APIs being called. One query to get the SQL, then I execute the SQL, and I send another query API to make it user friendly to understand the answer to the question. What I'm thinking is there may be more layers that have to get placed in, which describe how the data relates, how the tables relate, how to pull data. I mean, there is already like a little bit of that, but it's just the raw schema, and that doesn't really describe the how the information you could pull in between. Like it does show like the what foreign key or not exactly a foreign key always, but a column that is referenced from another table. In that table, it's a primary key. In this table, it's not a primary key. It's just a reference key. But having to understand that formatting of data takes some getting used to. So let's see what else. Let's just try the same query. I mean, and just add another thing back to it. Look, what songs have I been on time? Dang it. Yeah, I probably have to rephrase it again. Blank. And let's try on underscore time. Oh, finally there. So the problem was the first one, I'm guessing the first two times I had issue because I did on space time, but the value that is going to be there is actually underscore. So it's going to have to remember that as well. Looking at the notes table, blah, blah, blah. What songs have I been on underscore time? Based on request, blah. Is that number 19,000 consistent? Yes, it is. 19,500 times. 19,500 times I've been on time. It doesn't tell me what songs. So if I just shorten it down, it won't work because it won't remember how the data relates. Let's see. Um, okay. The corresponding song times listed in third value. Reject yourself. Life to life list. Take this oath. Wait, what is it? are listed in the third value. I'm guessing that means the third value is on time. Okay, so let's break down results. Results of the list of tuples. Three values. Timing value is non-early. Hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Okay. So the query says there's three values for the timing value. Well, there's four, but only three I care about. Count of how many times, comma separated, blah, blah, blah. Let's focus on timing value, which is user asked about. These results show there's 19,500 instances of on time. Corresponding song names are listed to the third value, which is on time. Reject yourself, life the life list, take this oath, daylight dies, self-revolution, breathe life, temple for within, eye of the storm, fixation on the darkness, desperate times declaration. Basically each song. Simpler terms, this means that for a kill switching age song, the on timing value occurred 19,500 times. Okay? Getting there. It's just a matter of like pulling teeth to get the data out, which not all users will be familiar with how to query it. Need some dumbing down. What else could I do here? 1 second. All right. What else? I'm trying to. What I would really like is it to give me a set list, but it's not quite there yet. It'd have to be like a new table set list. Um, Let me try that out, actually. Let's see. Table set list. Set list ID. It should be set list or yeah, it should be set list. Excuse me. Okay, table set list ID. Blah blah. Set list name. And let's try session table. Session. Okay, let's just try this. Session foreign key. Do I need a foreign key? Yeah, I do. Oh, I got confused because I initially thought foreign key meant as a primary key on your current table, but that's not the case. A foreign key just means it referencing another key from another table, which I am doing. Just programming behind the scenes here. Okay, so I'm thinking doing other tables. The session date, session ID, session number. No, the ID should be the number. Um, I don't want auto increment, do I? Oh, yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, I'm just gonna do session number integer. Do I want to create the data now? Sessions. So sessions will be on the timestamp. Plays table. All sessions are on a day basis. And setlist ID. Okay, so I'm going to make the set list. I could do the set list and sessions right now, but I'm just brainstorming. Let's do some more queries. Um, how many songs would I play in a day? I may not know how to try it again anyway. Nope. What could I ask it? Well, actually, what did I try to query? Play date between date now, start a day, and date now, start a date. Is play date a real thing? Oh yeah, play date timestamp. Current incorrect number of bindings applied. What is that? I've never seen that error before. Let me look at that error. That's a different type of error. Let's see. Chat screen. I have different file formats of chat screen. And we're going to look at the database manager, execute query, Python. Okay. Run results, execute query, blah, blah, blah. I want to know what this error is. Numbers, okay. Incorrect number of binding supplies. Current statement uses 1 and 0 supplies. It executes SQL query expects a parameter to be provided, but the none was supplied by the query when the query was executed. What? You need to ensure that params. It is there. Sorry, I'm looking at the terminal that you can't see. It says SQL query is 1 second query. It's telling me to modify query result. What is it telling me to adjust here? Hold on. All right, so I'm going to restart the program and see what happens. What? Search query equals. I don't get what is it saying search query is. So dumb. Well, I wasn't planning on programming, but here we are. Something about it didn't extract the query correctly or something. Query result, search query equals your search. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get anywhere on this. Okay, let's see. See, I don't even save my query that I used last time. What is the most number of songs that I've played in a day? 1. Wow, that is not true at all. Tell me the highest songs I played in a day is 1. Ridiculous. Playdates, plays by playdate, number of unique songs. You saw nothing. All right. Search query equal user message. How many songs do I play on a day? Error. Oh, what? What is a search query? Uh, what is the search query that it did? Uh, chatting with another chatbot. Because I'm confused. Why did this work? Like what? Like what? He uses a parameter and oh, well, you can't even see it. Uh, dang it. Let me reset the window size. Like, what button is it? Control, Alt, Windows. What is going on here? FN. No, it doesn't want to show the whole window. Trying each button. This is ridiculous. Finally. All right. Yeah, now it worked. I changed something. Let's try to break it some more. How many songs would I play on a day? Based on provided data, it seems we play around 8 to 9 songs average a day, but the number of songs vary greatly from day to day. Some days you play as few as 1 to 3. Well, on other days you play up to 12 to 15. Um, what is the most songs I've... The data shows you've been tracking your songs from January 1st to May. I think I only did the 2024 data. Played in a day. Most songs I've played in a day is 1. Why does it keep saying that? How many times have I been on time for timing? Songs by Killswitch Engage. Have I got notes considered? How many times have I got notes considered on time for timing for songs by Killswitch Engage? You have a total of 19,556 notes considered on time for Killswitch Engage. For songs by Killswitch Engage. To explain the logic behind this answer, we looked at the database tables that store information about notes, plays, and songs. Wanted to find the number of notes that made two conditions, marked on time, blah, blah, blah. It's too much of an explanation. I'd rather give more context as to the songs that it's referencing. Oh well, fun session. How much more should I do? Maybe that'll be it for now. Come back next time. GG's. See ya. Bye-bye. No one's been on chat, so whatever. It's my fault for not streaming much.